Alright guys, now tell me in the comments who you want to see. Oof, big shot. Gonna see more of that, many of that in the IPL 2021. Hello and welcome. There you go, I can see some names coming up. Welcome everyone. As always, we've been obviously reading a lot of messages that you guys were looking forward to the KKR fan cam coming back. And here it is. We're never dead. Every time any of our fans want anything, as you know, we say, तूफान नहीं तूफान है और आपको जो चाहिए हमें आप तक लाना ही पड़ेगा. So here we are, one of our first live sessions from the practice ground where we are in the beautiful DY Patil here in Mumbai. This is where we are. Our camp has begun. And if you haven't figured out already, that's our new night, Karun Nair, beach mein, of course, the big Dre Russ, big man. And on the third nets, we have, is that Rahul? Yes, that's Rahul Tripathi. Welcome to KKR fan cam. যাদের কাছে কোয়েশ্চেন্স আছে, যারা বেঙ্গল, কলকাতা, বাংলাদেশ, চারিদিক থেকে or all anywhere across the world, আমাদের বাঙালি ফ্যান্সরা যারা আছেন তাদের জন্যও ওয়েলকাম. Great to see everyone back. I'm reading all your messages. Shazan, Rohan Das, Dilshad Khan, Teerth, Wolf RT12, Said Shoaib. Welcome everyone. So let's show you guys a little bit more action from another angle right now. Karun Nair, Andre Russell, and of course in the far end we have Rahul Tripathi right now. थोड़ी देर पहले यहाँ पे DK was batting. There was a lot of people here, a lot of new faces. People are slowly starting to come out of quarantine. All served that 7 days of mandatory quarantine from wherever they've come from all over before coming here. जो लोग पूछ रहे हैं हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं अभी, we are in Mumbai, DY Patil Stadium. This is where our camp has been going on for the last few days or almost weeks, we may say. We have most of our nights here already, but some of them are just finishing their quarantine and they will be joining us soon. Now, आप सबके पास जितने सारे messages हैं, I hope you guys have been enjoying the live. This is where we bring you close to all our nights, whatever they're up to, whatever they're doing. আপনারা যেখান থেকে চান, আপনারা এই বছর যদিও once again, just like last year in the UAE, we didn't have fans in the stands, but obviously as much as we miss them, this is the need of the hour. The pandemic is still not gone, but we are taking all the precautions to make sure you can enjoy the season just like you did the last one, maybe in an even better way. So we are definitely gonna not let you miss your nights. Let's try to give you another angle so that you can see the big man, Andre Russell. I'll try to get you as close as I can to the action while keeping safe distance for multiple reasons, of course, in these days. Oh, there. Just been a couple of days before since he came out of quarantine, so adjusting, acclimatizing to the heat over here as well. Bombay has been hot, not unbearably hot. Kolkata যেরকম আমরা শুনেছি এখন খুব গরম পড়েছে in the eastern side of the country. Mumbai is still tolerable as of now, but it's getting hotter as you can see.
Leverage is what we need.
Alright guys, now tell me in the comments who you want to see. Oof, big shot. Gonna see more of that, many of that in the IPL 2021. आप सब जो अभी ये live देख रहे हैं, oh, we can see a message from Rinku Singh. I'm a big fan. We are a big fan of you, Rinku. Oh, that was in the air. Okay, so all of you, जो मैं कह रहा था, आप सबको अभी practice में जिनको देखना है, आपको more or less पता है, मैंने आपको अभी update दिया who all are here for training right now. Send us in comments who you want to see in this live session and I'll try to get you close to them. Starting with Andre Russell, as you can see on your screen right now. Jara Banglaয় Shakib bolchen, Shakib is still in quarantine, guys. He has one more day to go, as he said in the live session that he had at 5 o'clock today on our page. You'll see him soon. So Shakib ke chhede apnader ar jake dekhte chan, amake message korun and I'll try to get you close. Alright guys, there you go. Dinesh Karthik, as you can see, do you see the jacket that he's wearing? that's we're gonna soon have a video explaining what it is about. Stay tuned to our social media. जिनको अभी ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा है दिमाग में कि ये क्या एक अनोखी चीज़ दिनेश कार्तिक ने पहन के रखे प्रैक्टिस में while doing wicket keeping drills, as you can see. Chris Donaldson and James Foster giving him some drills. We'll have a story soon. You stay tuned to our social media, our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you know what that thing, that armor kind of looking thing that DK is wearing is all about. Alright, let's watch some of this. Whoever else is joining in right now, welcome. যেখান থেকে আপনারা জয়েন করছেন, for all of you, welcome to this one of our first KKR fan cam sessions. Shovik Sen asking about Vaibhav Arora. Vaibhav is here as well. I'll show you guys that soon. Tanveer Islam, আপনার বাংলায় কমেন্টটা দেখছি আমরা এখানে। আপনি জিজ্ঞেস করছেন শুভমান গিল কোথায়? And I can see a lot of other people as well. And then try to show you Shubman Gill. I can see your messages where you're asking us to come live for every practice session. We'll try to do that for sure. As you know, with this bio bubble and everything, logistically things are a bit different from how it used to be probably in 2018, 2019 or any of those years. Last 2 years have been very different from the usual. So we try to keep you as close to the nights as possible. For all of you tuned in, keep showing your support. It's a fresh season, some new faces as well with the same core that we have had for a while. It's going to be a very, very exciting season. For all of you asking where Shubman was, there he is. He's just finished some of his batting. Just having a chat with Chris Donaldson and Kamlesh Jain. Like I was telling you guys, the entire camp is spread out across. Keep bringing in all the comments and the likes and the suggestions and advice, that everything that you have, and we'll keep bringing you more of the live action. Good to see you all back. There'll be more of this. This is the first of many, as I said. Stay tuned, take care, be safe, very important, and see you guys. Goodbye.